See, in the previous session we have seen the evaluation of limits using that standard formula. Is it? First we will try direct method. Second we will put factorization. Third we will take rationalization. Fourth, using of standard limits. If all this fails, like in evaluation of limits involving trigonometric functions. So we have seen two standard results based on that. Remember what are they? Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x. In more general, like sin ax by x is equal to a, like we have seen. And the other result, limit x tends to 0, tan x by x, that is equal to a. Also, limit x tends to 0, like 1 minus cos x by x, that is also tends to cos ax. This is going to a square. Okay, we have seen all these results, and based on this we are going to solve. So whatever the trigonometric ratio is given, what are all the trigonometric functions given, we should try to express that in this form, then only we can able to evaluate. Okay, so with that note we'll start solving the exercise. Exercise 2.3. Sorry, this is 0. Okay, 1 minus cos x by x, this is 0. Okay, and then this exercise 2.3, the first one, limit x tends to 0. Question number 1, first subdivision. Limit x tends to 0, sin ax by x cos ax. Sorry, x cos x. Now we should be trying to identify these three identities where we can use. Now look at here. This sin ax by x can be separately written. Sin limit x tends to 0. This sin ax by x alone can be written into. We can split the limits, right, using the algebra of limits. That is 1 by cos x. This cos no damage, 1 by cos x, because if cos 0 is 1. So we can apply the separate limit. This value is a, into that limit is 1 by 1. So we will get a as the answer. Okay. And the second one, limit x tends to 1, sin x minus 1 by x square minus 1. See again, here we will try to get this identity here, this formula here. So here x tends to 1 is there. As usual, see, first of all, we don't know what to do with this. We will go with the direct substitution and we will use trigonometric formulas, everything. Then later only we should come to arrive that this result should be used. Okay. The thing is, when you see trigonometric ratios, try to apply these things. Okay. Then x tends to 0 is there. Here x tends to 1. Sin x minus 1 by x square minus 1. So somewhat the same formula in terms of x is there. Here x minus 1 this is there in the question. Okay. So there are two ways to solve it. I'll tell you both ways. First thing is to match with this idea, match with this formula, like limit x tends to 1. This is sin of x minus 1 by x plus 1 into x minus 1. Now this can be grouped, is it? And then we can split the limit. How we can split? See, limit. Wait. X tends to 1 only. X tends to 1 only, but it is not x tends to 0. Sin of x minus 1 by x minus 1 into limit x tends to 1 by x plus 1. Okay, any doubts up to this? Okay, but here, though it is in the formulas format, we can't use the formula because x tends to 0. So in place of x, what do we have here? X minus 1. So when x is approaching 1, see, as x approaches 1, x minus 1 approaches 0. So we will redefine the limit. That limit x minus 1 tends to 0. sine of x minus 1 by x minus 1 into limit x tends to 1 by x plus 1. Now substitute this value is 1 into, because limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is 1, right? But in place of x we have x minus 1, that is it. Then here this is 1 plus 1, our final answer is 1 by 2. Okay. Third subdivision. Any doubts in this? I told you that other way is there. Huh? See, as you can see, you can substitute for this. Substitute this x minus 1 as t. Then this will be, see, as x minus 1 is t, if x approaches 1, t approaches where? 0. So limit t tends to 0 by sin t by t into, then here will be having 1 by x plus 1, right, separately. So what is the value of x from this? X is equal to t plus 1. Then we will get 1 by t plus 2 here. Now if you substitute the limit 1 into 1 by 2, answer is 1 by 2. What is it? Which method is easier, substitution or matching the formula? Substitution is easier compared to this. Okay, any doubts in this? So where is this? Okay, now the third subdivision. Tan 2x by tan 4x. Limit x tends to 0. Tan 2x by tan 4x. Then how to solve this? We don't have formulas for this, but we have a formula for limit x tends to 0 tan ax by x. So this by x is missing. So you can multiply and divide on x. We have seen this as a formula previously, but I am telling you how that works. Okay. See, limit x tends to 0. You remember limit x tends to 0 tan ax by tan bx, like I wrote one result. Answer is ABB. How that is ABB, that I am going to say. So here I am going to multiply 1 by x in the numerator, multiply 1 by x in the denominator as well. Now numerator result is, based on this formula, it is 2, denominator result is 2. Or we can use this as the formula. So 2 by 4, our answer is 1 by 2. Okay. Any doubts in this? Okay. And the fourth one. Limit x tends to pi by 2 cos x by x minus pi by 2. Okay, again here what it is, cos x we have, substitute the limit directly, cos pi by 2 0, pi by 2 minus pi by 2 0 again. So there is no sign as well. Then what we can do? So convert into what? See, I am going to substitute this x minus pi by 2 as t. Okay. Then when x approaches pi by 2, t approaches where? 0. Okay. And what is the value of x from this? Pi by 2 plus t, is it? Is it or not? So limit t tends to 0 cos of pi by 2 plus x by, this is what, t, sorry, pi by 2 plus t, sorry, by t. Am I right? Now what is cos of pi by 2 plus t? Minus sin t. See, cos pi by 2 plus theta, remember what it is? What is the formula? We'll add pi by 2, there will be a change, sin theta, pi by 2 plus goes to second quadrant, will be minus. Okay, then the answer is minus. Okay, any doubts on this? So let's this. Alright, and then this. Alright, fourth one, okay, fifth one. Limit x tends to a, tan of x minus a by x square minus a square. You guess what? Okay. Perfect. X minus a is equal to 2 substitute. Superman. X approaches a, t approaches 0. Then this is limit t tends to 0. Tan t by t. This can be written like limit x tends to a, tan of x minus a by x plus a into x minus a. That x minus a is t I am substituting here, into 1 by this x plus a. What is the value of x from this? This is t plus a. Is it? Then t plus 2a. So our answer is this one 1 into 1 by 2. Yeah. So answer is 1 by 2a. Okay. Okay. And then the sin x by x cos 2x. Fifth one. Okay. No need. Directly substitute 0. Cos 2x. X is 0 means it is cos 0. Cos 0 values 1. Okay. And then seventh one. Perfect. And then eighth one. What formula? Okay. See, what is sin 3x formula? Limit x tends to 0, right? Wait man, we solve. Like sin 3x formula is what? 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Okay, that we should substitute it there. Okay, then limit x tends to 0. 3 sin x minus 3 sin x plus 4 sin cube x by x cube. Okay, now 3 sin x cancelled. Then we'll get limit x tends to 0, 4 into sin cube x by x cube. Then what it is? X tends to 0, 4 is a constant, we'll keep it aside. That is sin x by x whole cube. Our answer is 4 into 1 cube. Answer is 4. Okay. And then next, ninth one. Okay, shall you try or will you? We'll try. Okay. So this ninth one, limit x tends to 0, sin 5x minus sin 3x by sin 6x minus sin 4x. Alright. Now we should use sin c minus sin d formula. What is sin c minus sin c formula? So that is 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Okay. Now the same thing I am going to apply. Limit x tends to 0, 2 cos c plus d, 5x plus 3x, 8x by 2, and sin c minus d, 5x minus 3x, 2x by 2. Okay, divided by denominator also same formula, 2 cos 6x plus 4x, 10x by 2 minus 6x minus 4x, 2x by 2. Then limit x tends to 0, 2 cancel, this 2 gets cancelled, then sin x by sin x will get cancelled totally. Then this is cos 4x for cos 5x. When x approaches 0, it is 1 by 1. Answer is 1. Okay. Okay. Now x tends to 0. Sin inverse of x plus tan inverse of x by x. X tends to 0. No man. That is next concept, but it is not for all the cases. So first we will split the limit, man. Limit x tends to 0. Sin inverse of x by x plus limit x tends to 0. Tan inverse of x by x. We may think this is the formula, but it is not, because we have sin x by x only, which is equal to 1. Sin inverse of x is that x tends to 0. Okay. Now we will take, substitute, we will take this is L1, L2. First we have to evaluate L1. See, limit x tends to 0, sin inverse of x by x. So now we will substitute that this sin inverse of x is equal to t. Then x is equal to what? Sin t. Okay. And as x approaches 0, t approaches where? Sin inverse of 0. It is also 0. Okay. Now this question can be converted into limit t tends to 0. The sin inverse of x is t by sin t. Okay. So that is limit t tends to 0, 1 by sin t by t. Sin t by t is what? Like t tends to 0. It is 1 by 1. It is 1. Okay. That is what L1 alone. You guess for L2. Same. Yes, instead of t, you should use u. Let us the other side. Yes, answer 1. So 1 plus 1, answer is 2. So we will take for L2, u is equal to tan inverse of t. Then t is equal to tan u. Oh, wait, tan inverse of x. Then x is equal to tan u. Then this can be converted the same way. X, as x tends to 0, u also tends to 0. Tan inverse of 0 is 0. So we will get limit u tends to 0, u by tan u. So the same manner, denominator we move it, that is 1. So L1 plus L2 is the required limit. So 1 plus 1, 2 is there. Alright. So erase everything. Okay then. Four by five. Is it? Yes, man. 4 by 5. Direct question. And then 12th one. Limit extends to 0. Limit extends to 0. Sine of pi cos square x by pi cos square x by x square. Now if you substitute something, substitute the limit directly, cos 0 1, then again it is something like the same thing, 0 by 0. So we'll try to identify. So what we can do, like we'll substitute the sine of pi cos square x is equal to t. Then pi cos square x is equal to sine inverse of t. Is it? Now as x approaches to 0, this t approaches where? 0. Okay. And we have to substitute these values here. Okay. Then instead of this, limit t tends to 0, sine of, instead of pi cos square t, we will put sine inverse of t by x square. X square in the sense x value you should get. X value how we can get? We can't get x value. Then there is another method, but using L'Hospital rule, not right now. You may see that later. Using basic limits. Is there any formula for cos square x? Okay. Wait. We have a formula that cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. We'll use. So limit extends to 0, sine of pi into 1 plus cos 2x by 2 divided by x square, and we will get limit extends to 0, sine of pi by 2 plus pi cos 2x by 2, okay, divided by x square. Now what is this sine of pi by 2 plus that those things and all? It is cos minus cos. Why minus cos? Positive only, right? ASBC. Then we'll get cos of pi cos 2x by 2 divided by x square. Now if we substitute limit, means what we will get? X square is a problem. We'll try to eliminate it. Okay, we'll solve this at last. We'll think and solve this at last. Without using the L'Hospital rule, you should say. Okay. And then this, what short answer question? First question, first subdivision. limit extends to a, x sin a minus a sin x divided by x minus a. Now if you apply the limit directly, what we may get? 0 by 0. But that should not happen. So convert everything in terms of x minus a. Here nothing is possible. So we have to do some adjustments. What adjustments we want to do is yes. No. Minus a sin a plus a sin a I am putting. Within the existing thing, minus a sin a plus a sin a I am putting. Now from these two terms, you can take sin a as common. Then remaining x minus a. Plus these two terms, you can take a as common. Sin a minus sin x into x minus a. Now split it. Limit extends to a, sin a into x minus a by x minus a, plus limit extends to a into sin a minus sin x by x minus a. Now this x minus a cancelled. There is no x to apply, extends to a. So we get only sin a in the first term plus a into limit extends to a. Here again if you apply a means sin a minus sin a, 0 by 0 coming, not possible. So sin c minus sin d formula. What is sin c minus sin d formula? 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. So we'll put what 2 cos a minus x by 2 into sin a plus x by 2 whole divided by x minus e. Okay. And then yes sir. Where? Here. This one. See sir, from these two terms we will take sin a is common. We will take sin a is common, x minus a. Okay. And then this is cos sin a minus sin x. But we need x minus a, right? Right? I wrote the formula wrong. That is 2 cos c plus d by 2 c minus d by 2, right? Limit extends to a into 2. This is cos a plus x by 2 and this is we'll take minus as common. Minus as common means this is into limit extends to a. That means we may take this x minus a tends to 0 sin of x minus a by 2 by x minus a. Okay. Now we'll get sin a minus a into, here if you substitute a means 2 into cos a, that means 2a by 2 into this one sin ax by a. So a is x is this one, x minus a. The coefficient is 1 by 2. So that this 2 gets cancelled. We'll get sin a minus a cos a is the answer. Okay. Any doubts on this? Shall I explain this once again? See, this is the given question. When you apply the limit, we get 0 by 0. So we made some adjustment, minus a sin a plus a sin a. Why? Because x minus a is there, we should try to get everything in terms of x minus a. So here x sin a is there, one a sin a is there as in subtraction means we'll take sin a as common, x minus a will get. That is the idea, we wrote. So after writing sin a taken as common, then x minus a plus a taken as common, then sin a minus sin x by x minus a. Now splitting this limit into 2. First part is easy. When you split x minus a gets cancelled. Here sin c minus sin d formula I have to use. So what is sin c minus sin d formula? 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. But the thing is we have everything in x minus a. Others here also we can use the substitution method. Like we did in the first questions, right? First few questions. But substitution method that takes few more steps, that's why I wrote like this. Then limit x approaches to a, I change it into x minus a tends to 0. Then sin x minus a by 2 by x minus a. This exactly resembles the formula that limit x tends to 0 sin ax by x. Yes sir. X minus a. See sir, this is a minus x sir. See, I kept plus a minus x. If I took minus as common, sin of minus of x minus a by 2 I will write. What is sin of minus x? The sin of minus theta. Minus sin theta. So this plus is being converted into minus. So here I wrote sin of x minus a. Why minus? All of the things are correct only, right? Okay. Then, in place of a is the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x minus a is 1 by 2. That 1 by 2. The 2 this 2 gets cancelled. This is the final. Okay. So, let us everything. Okay, next. Limit x tends to a. Limit x tends to a, tan x minus tan a by x minus a. Now how to solve this? No, not the same procedure. Here even if you do some things also, x minus a cannot be taken as common. So whatever the thing is, we should express this in terms of sin and cos and then we'll decide. So this is sin x by cos x minus this is sin a by cos e whole divided by x minus e. And you just cross multiply. Limit x tends to a, sin x cos a minus cos x sin a divided by cos x cos a into x minus e. Okay. Now this one remains anything? Sin x cos a minus cos x sin a. Sin of x minus a by x minus a into 1 by cos x cos a. Now this one value is what? 1 into 1 by cos a into cos e. Cos a into cos a is what? 1 by cos square a. Answer is secant square. What is it? Okay. And then third subdivision. Limit x tends to 0. 1 minus cos x by x square. What do you think? One minus cos x, we have a formula. 2 sin square x by 2. You remember this one? 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. Okay, then what about the remaining x? Ah, 0 into infinity. This case you will get indeterminate forms. Okay. Then this 2 is a constant. Limit x tends to 0. Sin x by 2 by x whole square. Now this limit is what? 1 by 2 square. So 2 into 1 by 4. Answer is bit. Okay. Any doubts on this? What, man? 2 is in the numerator. Sin x by 2, man. Yes. Tell me. This is sin ax by x, man. X a is what? X coefficient. X coefficient is 1 by 2. That's all. I get that point also. See, we are supposed to multiply 2 and by 2. Then this is again 1 by 2 square only, right? Is it? No, 2 only. Yes. We'll get 1 by 2 square here. So that is everything. Are you getting to evaluate these limits, or is these things looks tough for you? Easy. It's not easy, man. It's very easy. Yes. So limit x tends to a, sin a plus bx minus sin a minus bx by x. Then how to solve this? That is it. Sin c minus sin d means 2 cos c plus d, a plus bx plus a minus bx by 2 into sin c minus d, a plus bx minus a plus bx by 2 whole divided by x. Okay. Then this plus bx minus bx cancel. We'll get limit x tends to a, 2 cos a sin what it is, 2bx. 2bx by 2 means simply bx by x. Now cos A has nothing to do with the limit because that is not having the variable. So 2 cos A kept aside, limit extends to A, sin bx. Did I got the question correctly? Is that sin x tends to A? Correct only. Okay. Then why don't we substitute directly there itself? We might have to work this out with A. But send wait man. Sin AB by A. Is it dx man? No, okay. So limit, so not limit, the final answer is 2 cos A sin AB by E. Okay, check the book answer side by side. And then next to fourth one. Fifth one. Is it? Then the question must be wrong, man. Here extends to 0 only, it is possible. Yes. Question must be wrong, man. 0 means answer is, here B alone will come. 2B cos C. Okay. So x tan 2x minus 2x tan x by 1 minus cos 2x whole square. How to solve this? Okay. Simply convert everything in terms of sin and cos. We'll see what happens. X sin 2x by cos 2x minus 2x sin x by cos x by 1 minus cos 2x is, what is the formula? 2 sin square x. Yes. Then we will get, this is okay, limit extends to 0, we will get x sin 2x cos x minus 2x sin x cos 2x by cos 2x cos x into 4 sin power 4x. What man, this much it is coming? Then is it possible? Okay. Wait, we'll try at last, then we'll give up. There may be a hope. This is what? 2x sin x into cos 2x by, this is 4 sin power 4x. Okay. Then sin 2x formula will apply. It is x into 2 sin x cos x. That cos x, this cos x, cos square x. Minus 2x into cos 2x formula will apply. Like something gets cancelled in a manner. And this is what, in terms of cos will apply. 1 minus 2 cos square x. Oh sorry, 2 cos square x minus 1. That will not work. Yes sir, what way sir? Okay, you check. This we can convert in terms of sine, that is 1 minus 2 sine square x, then whole divided by cos 2x cos x into 4 sine power 4x, and then this 1 cos square x you can write it as 1 minus sine square x, then we'll get limit x tends to 0, 2x sin x into 1 minus sine square x minus 2x sin x, yes, minus 2x sin x, and then plus 4x sin cube x whole divided by, this is cos 2x cos x into 4 sin power 4x. Now that also we multiply inside. When we multiply that inside, we have 2x sin x minus 2x sin cube x minus 2x sin x plus 4x sin cube x divided by s what u means. See, I multiplied this 2x sin x inside, man. Then 2x sin x. Cos square is what? Why minus 2? Cos square x is what? 1 minus sin square only. Where? This is cos x. Okay, here only cos 2x, that cos 2x I applied here. Okay, and then this plus 2x sin x minus 2x sin x cancelled. Then these things means limit x tends to 0, like the minus 2x sin cube x plus 4x sin cube x. We get 2x sin cube x by cos 2x cos x, and this is sin power 4x. Denominator 4 is there, right? That 4 will write. Sin cube x, this one gets cancelled. So limit x tends to 0. This 2x by cos 2x cos x sin x. 4 I left. That 4 and this will get cancelled. We will get 2 in the denominator. Okay. Now there is a problem. X approaches to 0 means 0, this will become 0. But is there any way? So I erase this, the right side, to the left side. You want me to explain this once again or? See, after multiplying this, plus 2x sin x minus 2 sin x cancelled. So minus 2x sin cube x is there, plus 4x sin cube x is there. So when we add these two, they are like terms. What it is? 2x sin cube x. We have cos 2x cos x into 4 sin power 4x, right? The sin cube x and the sin power 4x gets cancelled. Remaining one sin x will be there. That 2 and this 4 gets cancelled. Remaining one 2 will be there. Which is, oh, okay. This one, oh, sorry, my bad. Okay. Then this is 2 will be in the denominator, and so let us this. Or you want me to explain this once again from the beginning? No. Okay. Then this is limit x tends to 0, 1 by 2 cos 2x cos x into 1 by sin x by x, shall we say. This x goes to the denominator by x. Now if x approaches 0, 1 by 2 into cos 0 1, this cos 0 1, this is 1 by 1. The answer is 1 by 2. There has to be some simpler way, man. What I thought is, there must be some simpler way. Any simpler way I found means I'll tell you. There is a formula for tan 2x, right? 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. If you apply that formula means this x into 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x, and then minus 2x tan x, then we'll get 2x tan x minus 2x tan x, minus into minus plus 2x tan cube x. Divided by this one, what it is, that 1 minus cos 2x whole square, that is 2 sin square x whole square, and then accelerate this 2x tan x cancelled, then we'll get 2x limit x tends to 0, 2x tan cube x by 4 sin power 4x, then limit x tends to 0, 2x into this is sin cube x by cos cube x by 4 sin power 4x. That time this gets cancelled, then we'll be getting limit x tends to 0, 1 by 2 into this one sin x, numerator will be having 1x cos cube x, then this is limit x tends to 0, 1 by 2 into cos cube x sin x by x. So answer is 1 by 2. Easiest way. But we should be taught of this formulas. And then the last one. You get it or shall we? Say, what is the answer? Cos hx. Last one means not the last subdivision. See, this is limit x tends to 0, e power x minus sin x minus 1 by x. Split it, that's all. How to solve? Remember, this is e power x minus 1 by x and then minus sin x by x. E power x minus 1 by x, we have formula, remember? 1 this one 1 that is hyperbolic function, that formula. Okay, the same way remaining 2, 3, 4 questions are there. Like we can able to do means we can do, or else we can do in the next class. What we can do? Shall we complete those things in next class, or will you? we will try to complete. If you have doubts, you tell me, we will solve in the next session. Okay. So in the next session, we'll go to the next topic. See, what about the fourth one, man? Do you know how to solve that? That is x degree. No, man. All those things are in degree measure, right? These identities and all, the sin x by x, cos x by x, those things are valid in radian measure only. So convert x into radian measure and then substitute. Okay. Now else we'll solve in the next session. Okay. Do you have any doubts on this? See, all might be, this all looks like easy for you as we solve together. But when you are solving it on your own, you should be getting some new own ideas. Okay. Also, there is one question that I said that we'll try later. That question will start with this next session. Okay. Okay. Then that's enough for the day. I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.